is coming back for me. Coming back to marry me, like he promised. I know the nuns think I'm young and talking foolish, but they don't know what I've had because they've never had it. It's not like they're thinking. He's a good man, Bernadette. He's kind, and he's gentle, and he loves me. And he's a man of his word. And if he knew he had a child, he would make them turn that boat right around, or else he'd swim back to shore. I know it.
Where is it?
No, Dad, not you. Sorry. I'll call you back. Love you.
Where's my necklace, Maddie? It's the lucky one I wear to every audition. And what's with all these boxes?
I stole that necklace from the set of my play last summer. They weren't going to use it, so I took it. It's probably worth like 50 cents or something.
Well, I'm fed up.
With what?
All that stands in the way. I don't care if you think you're a bee, Anthony. I don't care if you are a bee. I'm half dying with living for you. What do I have to do? Do I have to swat at you to get you to sting me? Because I will. You see me as a flower. That's the sweetest thing. Take your ring.
Meant to be, I mean, it's found.
Please say what's meant, Tony. Life is